My definition of a problem solver is to ensure that we satisfy the customer requirements in a timely fashion. And the second part of it is that not only identifying the problem, but also providing solutions to that problem as well. Most of our customers are emergency management segment, so they're very much focused on the mission critical systems. And so that's where we work as a consultants in conception phase, educate them what's new, how can Federal Signal solve their problem. One of the ways we build technical relationship is by working directly with the customer's technical audience and even educating them on the new technologies, understanding and documenting their system requirements, what their end goal is from the operational standpoint, and then translate into a system that is feasible, relevant, and can be deployed in a timely fashion. People within my professional services team, we have systems engineers. They understand, they have been out there in the field, they have worked with the customers a lot. And then we have professional managers, which we call implementation ninjas. They will ensure that the project is delivered in a timely fashion. And then we also have field engineers who would go out in the field, make sure that the system is commissioned right, make sure that the customer is trained on how to use the system. And then we also turn it to our service partners, who are installers, who will be used more on the sustainment. The relationship just doesn't end when the project is delivered and it's all signed off. We want to build long-lasting relationship with customers, so customers can focus on their mission while we focus on the technologies to make that mission successful. My name is Nirmal Chudgar and I'm a problem solver.